Do you ever wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? Fatigue is real. Not just feeling sleepy, but that low energy feeling where everyday tasks seem harder than they should. That's one reason why my parents and I take Hemohim every single day. So it's not just another supplement. Hemohim is developed in Korea through years of research. It became the first Korean health functioning food individually recognized for helping support immune function and reduce fatigue. And today, Hemohim has expanded globally and is backed by 28 patents, reflecting years of scientific research and innovation. I take it because I appreciate having the energy to do what I need to do, including work out, enjoy time with my family, and get through my day feeling more like myself. So if you have been feeling tired more often than you would like, maybe it's time to pay attention to your body's signals. Comment fatigue, I will show you how I take this. There you go. Hemohim. Immune up, fatigue down.